Washington State University started school last fall. COVID-19 cases skyrocketed. That was when the university had everyone learn from home.
Well, this year, everyone's back, and things are a lot better because of the vaccine. Eleni Dow goes into the numbers and shows us the impacts these vaccines have made so far.
It's looking a little more normal in Coug Nation now. Students are back on campus learning full time. But just a year ago,
that was kind of a shot to the mouth, a little bit, a good punch to the mouth.
Last fall, COVID-19 cases skyrocketed in Pullman and Whitman County, despite fewer students being on campus. You can see right when that spike hit, Whitman County Public Health says fewer than 10 people tested positive for COVID a day last fall. Then, when WSU students started school in mid-August,
that very quickly jumped up to 30 to 50 cases a day, every single day, for it seemed like a long time that we were seeing that.
Even with students learning remotely, Whitman County Public Health and WSU were swamped with the onslaught of COVID cases.
In the fall of 2020, part of that's just a natural epidemiologic curve in that we had a highly susceptible population. A relatively small percentage of individuals had been infected, so there was no natural immunity. And obviously we did not have the vaccine at that point of time.
WSU then put a vaccination requirement in for staff and students to come back this year. Last fall, no one on campus was vaccinated. Fast forward to now, 94% of Washington State University employees have the shot, and 96% of Pullman students also are vaccinated.
Vaccination has just been a game changer. So when we compare fall of 21 to fall of 2020, our case counts are down significantly.
Between August 1st and November 17th in 2020, more than 2,000 people tested positive for COVID at WSU. Compare that same time frame to this year, only 322 tested positive.
There's no question that the vaccine is responsible for the control that we're seeing, especially in those populations that are heavily vaccinated.
COVID-19 still isn't gone in the small college town, much like everywhere else, but things are better.
There is a light at the end of the tunnel. The vaccines are rolling out. The vaccines are effective. We're continually getting a larger percentage of our population vaccinated, and I think we'll continue to get a larger percentage of our population vaccinated as people overcome some of the hesitancies that they've had.
In Pullman, Eleni Dow, 4 News Now.